Well, get ready to pay even more for home and renters insurance. That was the message today from the state capitol. Lawmakers grilled the insurance commissioner on the insurance crisis, and he had no easy answers. KCAL News political reporter Tom Wade is here with what the commissioner said.
Yeah, like you said, Pat, there's no easy answer. This is going to probably be a bit painful for a lot of us. So state leaders say the insurance crisis was decades in the making, and any kind of rescue is likely to cost homeowners and renters more money for their policies. The historic fires that burned the Palisades and Altadena to the ground left Angelenos shell-shocked and in some cases hopeless. Compounding all of it, the state's insurance crisis. Some fire victims were dropped from their policies just days before the disaster. California's insurance commissioner in Sacramento Wednesday, facing tough questions, conceding he may have moved too slowly on insurance reforms.
Could I have moved quicker? Absolutely.
Lara made clear homeowners and renters should expect to pay more when all is said and done. In exchange for allowing higher rates, Lara says he wants companies to guarantee they will not cancel policies. He also wants to give insurance companies more leeway in pricing premiums according to risk.
As many of your constituents said, I would rather pay more, but I need certainty. I know where I live. And the goal for us is to make sure that everyone pays for the amount of risk of where they live.
Even before the Palisades and Eaton fire disasters, critics accused Lara of being too cozy with insurance executives, and they said Lara didn't do enough to stop insurers from dropping Californians from their policies. And right now, State Farm wants Lara's approval for a 22% increase on home insurance premiums. Lara claims he's pushing State Farm, the state's largest insurer, to open their books and let the public see them to prove they deserve the rate hike.
We actually forced this juggernaut of a company to give us information so that we know firsthand. If you're in trouble, I'd rather need to know that now than wait for another catastrophe.
But critics claim Lara's suggested reforms don't go far enough.
Unfortunately, the insurance commissioner continues to mislead the public about his insurance reforms, specifically the so-called commitment for insurance companies to come back into the state of California. The regulation that the commissioner passed has so many loopholes that insurance companies are not required to start selling in risky areas in California again. In the best case scenario, insurance companies will commit to increasing sales by just 5% of what they sell now. And 2 years from now, if they don't meet those goals, the commissioner can simply move the goalpost.
From politicians to environmental experts, there is consensus on this. It's not if the next fire or flood disaster hits, it's when. Some fear the entire market could collapse unless lawmakers, insurance companies, and policyholders all agree to overhaul the entire system.
It's something that we've hit this wall. We are in the free fall portion of the collapse. This market, the way that we're looking at it, the way that I'm looking at it. And this is something that really needs a lot more attention and priority focus from both the governor, the assembly, and the Senate.
Lara says right now Californians pay lower premium rates compared to other large states prone to disasters. And he says that's another reason why the system has to change. Pat.